I want to preface this video by saying that I will be reviewing my own product, and if you're okay with that, please continue watching. I also want to say that I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. This is just an overview, so let's get started. This is a Google Sheet dashboard that I created to help me keep track of my spending. This dashboard also comes with an AppSheet mobile app that lets you add your data to your Google Sheet. You can add the app to your phone to enter data directly onto your spreadsheet. This video is broken into two parts. First, I will provide you with a quick overview of the dashboard. Next, I will go over the app. So first, I want to give you some background regarding this app. I created this app because around 2016, I had over $30,000 in debt. I needed a way to track my spending because I like to spend. I didn't have a clear picture of what or how I was managing my finances. Thus, I needed a way to enter data onto a spreadsheet while on the go. Today, I have very little debt that does not accrue interest. I have about $1,000 in commercial debt, which I can pay at any time if I want to. This app and this method have allowed me to become more disciplined about my spending habits. So let's start the overview. This area is the header. On the left side is the logo. In the center, there is a monthly quote that updates once you select the month from the drop-down list. To the right, you have your net worth, goal, and the amount left to accomplish your goal. This updates automatically once you fill your transactions. Now we're going to review the body of the dashboard. It's divided into three main KPIs: income, savings, and expenses. Here you get a bird's eye view of your monthly finances. You can change the month by using the drop-down like this, and the information updates. On the right side, there are three tables that give you a monthly breakdown of your income, savings, and expenses. In the center, you have charts that give you a visual look at your financial habits. First, you have a pie chart showing your income for the current month and a bar graph for the whole year. Next, you have a pie chart that shows your savings for the current month and a bar graph for the year. You also will find a bar chart showing your spending category for the current month. Plus, you get an expense per month pie and bar chart. There are also additional reports. For example, you get a credit spending report for each month. Also, you have a bar chart showing how much you are spending on your credit cards. Next, you get an overview of your accounts. You have a pie chart and a bar chart showing your account breakdown. Plus, you get another overview of your net goal and the amount that's left to reach your goal. You get all this data by filling out the simple ledger. You can fill out the ledger or you can use the app to enter the data. This is the Master Your Budget app. It is powered by AppSheet. AppSheet is a Google Sheet extension. The app has three main tabs: accounts, transactions, and net worth. When you click on the accounts tab, you have an overview of your accounts. The account tab allows you to enter your accounts. All you have to do is click on this plus sign and fill out the form to add all of your accounts. Once you add your accounts and transactions, you will have the account balance and future transactions. What's nice about the future transactions is that you can add the bills you have for the upcoming day, week, or month. It lets you see the amount of funds you will need to have in your account in order to cover all your expenses. Next, we have the Transaction tab. It allows you to fill out the ledger on the Google spreadsheet. It is a very simple form to fill out. All you need to do is fill out the form like this. Lastly, we have your net worth report. This report is automatically created when you enter your data, and you get a total of your net worth at the bottom. The menu has four reports: income, savings, expenses, and weekly expenses. This is the income menu. Once you enter your data on the ledger, it generates this report automatically. It gives you a breakdown of your income per month and from the different streams. This is the savings report. It gives you a breakdown of your savings by account and a percentage. Next is your expense report. You get a breakdown of your spending by category for each month. The weekly expense reports, this allows you to see your spending by week number. You get a breakdown of your expenses by category. I was thinking of adding a daily expense report. If you think I should add a daily expense report, please let me know in the comment section below. Now I want to share a couple of tips with you regarding this app. First, it's helpful to keep just a few accounts. And I try to keep as few accounts as possible because this helps me keep track where everything is going more easily. Next is good to batch purchases by category. Additionally, you want to decrease the number of transactions. I find that this app is a really great tool to help you stay in track of your money. It really helped me gain discipline, and it has helped me stay on track. Also, I love to see the dashboard and see all the data every month and seeing where I have done poorly. But I do understand that this system is not for everyone. But for those who do like to track their finances, this is a great system. And once again, if you like this dashboard and app, the link to purchase this is in the description. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. Bye.